it's interesting to think about an autonomous car because when you drive around, look at how many cars are parked. Like they're just parking lots full of cars everywhere because cars need a driver, and so most of the time they're doing nothing. Typically a passenger car is going to be like 12 hours a week or something like that of usage. Now if it's autonomous, maybe it can get to 50 or 60 hours of usage. Then that's sort of 4 or 5 fold improvement in the utility of a car. But the interesting thing is that the car still costs the same. So in that scenario, at least for some period of time, the effective gross margin on an autonomous car is kind of boggles the mind. You'd have the option of owning a car, using a car just occasionally when you need it, like an auto Uber or something like that. And there would be people, and then an owner of a car could decide that they want to use their car or they want to add or subtract it to the fleet. So I think it would end up being some kind of combination of like Airbnb and Uber or something like that. But the utility of the car will just be mind-blowingly great. And then, like I said, Optimus will really bring the future to now. I mean, assuming we get all these things, we do all these things, I think probably Tesla will be the most valuable company in the world.
Probably the thing we worry about